Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long, the days all feel the same. Just keep moving where I don't know why to stay. No ties to bind me, no reasons to
Right, so here we are, Seven Sisters.
So I keep moving, just keep moving where I don't know.
Do a strapping action. Anyway, but now for the most important news, of course, the weather. So Peter Jan, what's the weather going to be?
What's the weather gonna be? Well, it would be shady
Shady.
or not.
You are shady, dude.
West.
West. As usual, completely useless, but we'll have a go with it. Hello and good morning to Wanna Go Biking. We are on the Isle of Wight. Wow, this is a nice road. Cool. A beautiful English country lane this is. Fantastic.
I'll see you again.
Say hello to Adrian! Hey, it's been too long! How are you? Heel goed. Yeah?
Yeah. Hey.
Hello! Hello!
Right, that's it from us from the Jurassic Coast. So we will be on our way to Dorchester. See you later. Hi and welcome to Dorchester. So sick and tired of these systems.